Hey, what's going on guys? This is Navjot here, back again with another video. In this video, I'm gonna teach you how you can host your WordPress websites on a single cloud hosting server. But not only WordPress, you can host any static or dynamic website. And the best part is, we will install a control panel like cPanel on our server. With this control panel, you can host as many websites as you want. Also, there are many more benefits of this control panel, like you can create unlimited database accounts without opening the terminal or without entering a single command. You can access phpMyAdmin on the web browser to manage your database. Sometimes, different websites need different PHP versions. With this control panel, you can choose any PHP version like PHP 5.4, 5.7, 7.0 or 7.4 according to your requirements. You can monitor your server's resources like CPU usage, RAM usage or storage usage. It will also help you to secure your server with advanced security feature. For SSL, you can generate unlimited SSL certificates with this control panel. All these features you will get 100% free, and trust me guys, it will greatly reduce your hosting cost. I have seen many people spend their valuable money on expensive hosting. Even after spending so much money on hosting, they don't get good performance and speed. Sometimes there is a chance of server failure even after having a higher percentage of uptime. On the other hand, cloud hosting takes the crown when it comes to security, speed, performance, uptime and cost. Now if we talk about the cost is as much as a normal hosting. So there is no need to worry about the cost. Alright guys, to host our websites on the cloud server, we have to register on the cloud service provider. There are many cloud service providers in this cloud market. For example, we have Google Cloud Platform, Amazon AWS, Alibaba Cloud and so on. But cloud platform with powerful servers are generally more expensive, whereas the platform with low cost has a lower performing server. But today in this video, I'm going to show you the best and cheapest cloud service provider. This cloud service provider provides the best security, performance, speed and uptime. If we talk about the cost will be equal to a normal hosting. Alright, so open your browser and type learningarmy.com/VL. VL stands for Walter. You will also get this discount link in the description box. Now, the Walter is one such cloud platform that provides you the best cloud servers or cloud compute at a reasonable price. I've been using this service for the last 2 years and have never had a problem since then. So let me explain a little bit more about this service. We will use cloud compute to host our websites. This is the pricing table of cloud compute. As you can see guys, servers start on this platform from $2.50 and $3.50 per month. These plans are enough for a personal or a mini website. But if you want to host 2 or more than 2 websites, then you can choose this $5 and $10 plan. In these both plans, you will get a single core processor, but the difference is only in RAM, bandwidth and storage. In the $5, you will get 25 GB storage, 1 GB RAM and 1 TB data transfer or bandwidth. In the $10 plan, you will get 55 GB storage, 2 GB RAM and 2 TB bandwidth. All storage devices in this cloud platform comes with SSD. As you know guys, at this price, most of the cloud service provider only provides the HDD or a standard magnetic disk. That can affect your website speed. On the other hand, SSD increase your website speed. Walter data centers are available in 17 different locations that you can choose near to your targeted audience. For example, if your primary source of traffic is Asia, then you can deploy your application on the Asian server. That will increase the page load speed. Next, we have an operating system. In this cloud platform, you will get almost every operating system. For example, in the Linux distribution, you can choose from Ubuntu CentOS operating system and Debian operating system distribution to deploy your web application. In the Windows operating system, you can choose Windows Server 2012 and Windows Server 2016. And the best thing is, you can upload your own operating system ISO image file. Now, the important thing is cost. As I have said earlier, it is best in the terms of cost. You don't need to sign any contract with this cloud service provider. And the important thing which I forgot to mention, that they don't charge you a fixed monthly charge. They only charge you hourly fees for the usage, which is great cause you only have to pay for what you actually used. Like the other hosting service, you don't need to pay $100 or $200 in the advance for a year or 2 years. In the Vultr, you can even deposit $5. For more information and features, you can check out this page. Alright, so let me show you the signing up process. To create an account, click on this sign up button. Here, you have to enter your email and then the password. Solve this CAPTCHA and click on create account. Alright, now we have to verify our email address. So open your email and this is the Vultr verification email. Click on verify your email. After verification, enter your password. Again solve this CAPTCHA and click on the login button. Now you will be redirected to this billing page. You just need to enter your details here. In the first box, enter your name and in the second box, your billing address. Next, you have to enter your payment details here, like your card number, expiry date and card verification value, which is also known as CVV. So let me quickly fill all these boxes. Alright, next read the terms and conditions and mark this box and then click on link credit card. Finally, our account is activated and ready to use. After the sign up process, you will be redirected to this page and your screen may look like this. Basically, this is the dashboard of Vultr. At this time, it is totally empty because we don't have deployed any server yet. So let's deploy a server first. Move your cursor to this plus sign button and click on deploy a new server. On this screen, you will see different types of servers, but I'm gonna choose cloud compute, which is already selected. In the server location, I would like to choose New York. Next, we have a server type or server operating system. We will install our control panel and WordPress in Cent Operating System 7. So select Cent Operating System 7. For the demo purpose, I'm going to choose 4-core CPU and 8 GB of RAM. You can choose according to your requirements and then click on deploy now button. Now the installation process may take a while to complete, so wait for it. Alright, our server is ready to use, but before starting the installation process, we have to permanently assign this IP address to our server, because if we need to restart our server, then this IP address will automatically change and our control panel will stop working. And it is necessary to assign an IP address for the server before installing the control panel. So again, move your cursor to this plus sign button and click on add reserve IP. This is our server's public IP address. Click on convert and then convert IP address. So as you can see guys, the IP address has been assigned to our server. To install the control panel, we will need to connect our server using SSH. Now we have two methods to establish the SSH connection. The first one is using the internal terminal console and the second is using PuTTY software. First, let me show you the internal terminal launcher. So go to your product section, select your cloud instance and then click on this terminal button. A new terminal pop-up window will open. Alright, so we have connected to our server, but this terminal has limited features, so if you are comfortable with this terminal, then you can use it. Otherwise, we will use the second method. Now open a new browser tab and type download PuTTY. click on this putty.org official link. After that, you will see this page. Click on this anchor link. Select the software version according to your operating system. My system and OS working on 64-bit architecture, so I'm gonna choose 64-bit. Once it has been downloaded, run this setup to install this software on your local machine. Click on the next in this box. Choose your installation path. By default, it will install in C drive, so C drive is okay for me, and then click on install. I don't want to read the readme file, so untick this box and then finish. Now the putty installation is completed. Alright guys, let's install the web control panel. Launch the putty program. Copy your server's IP address. Paste it here and click on open. Now log in with user root. To paste the copied item into the terminal, you just have to press the right click on this terminal. After the username, paste the password with the help of right click. For security reason, you will never see your pasted or typed password in the terminal. Once you have pasted the password, just press the enter key. Okay, we are connected to our server. Now we will need to run this command. You will also get this text file in the description box. Copy the whole command and paste it into the terminal. Press Y to install the panel in this directory. Yes, I want to enable SSL for my control panel. Now it is finding the download server. The installation will take a while, so wait until the installation is finished. So as you can see guys, our control panel installation is completed, and you will see control panel credential on your terminal box. So copy the whole login data including the IP address and paste it into the notepad or keep it in a safe place. To access your control panel, copy the full IP with the port address and open it in the browser. In the first attempt, you will see this error. Just ignore it and click on proceed link. This is the login page. Now log in with your username and password. This is our control panel dashboard. When you log in first time in your control panel, you will have to install some required packages. These packages include Nginx, MySQL database, FTPD, PHP 7.3 and phpMyAdmin. Just click on this one click button to install all these packages. Now it will take almost 10 to 15 minutes, so wait until it completes. Alright guys, software packages have been installed. Let me reload this page. So as you can see, some of the packages are added in this software tab, but Nginx and phpMyAdmin shortcut is missing in these boxes. So go to the App Store and on this page you will see the display on dashboard button is turned off. For the Nginx, switch it on and do it same for the phpMyAdmin. So as you can see guys, both shortcuts have been placed in these boxes. We have set up our web server and now we will connect our domain to this server. To configure the name servers, open your Worldter dashboard and go to product section and then DNS. Click on the add domain button. Now enter the domain name that you want to host. In the default IP address, you will need to enter your server's IP address or control panel IP address. So copy your IP address and paste it in this box. Now remove the HTTPS tag and click on this add button. Now open your domain registrar. In my case, I am using GoDaddy. If you are using another domain registrar and don't know how to change the domain name servers, then you can contact me, I'll help you. But if you are also using GoDaddy, then follow these steps. After login, go to My Products page. Select your domain name, click on Manage My Domain and then Manage DNS. Scroll down this page and click on this change button in the name servers page. Now copy this name server record and paste it here. Do it again for the second name server record and then click on this save button. Mark and continue. Now let me reload this page and as you can see guys, our name servers have been updated, but the domain and hosting propagation time can be anywhere between a couple of hours to even 72 hours. Now we will need to add our domain name in the control panel. Here we have two options to add our domain in this control panel. The first one is to add our domain name with auto installer. It will help you to install WordPress automatically. But if you don't want to install WordPress with the auto installer, or you have another PHP script that you want to upload, then you can choose the second option. So let me show you the auto installer process. First of all, you have to install the plugin or a software package called one-click deployment. So go to the App Store section, scroll down this page and install this one-click deployment plugin. Click on confirm. Alright, the plugin has been installed. Turn this button on to show this plugin in the dashboard. Now go to the home page. Open one-click deployment plugin. Here you will see different types of web applications, but at this time we want to install WordPress, so select WordPress for installation. In this box, enter your domain name and the database will be created automatically with this installation. And after clicking on this submit button, our WordPress will install on this domain. But at this time, we will install WordPress manually. So go to the website section and then add site. This box is similar to the previous one. Enter your domain name in the first box. Description and directory will automatically generate. I'll create the database later, so leave it. And click on this submit button. Let's see if our domain started working yet or not. Okay, so it's still not working. As I've said, it takes some time to connect. Alright, our domain start working. Before installing the WordPress, I would like to assign the SSL certificate for our website. So as you can see guys, we don't have a valid SSL. So let me show you with the HTTPS. So it's not working. To assign a free SSL certificate, click on the domain name, select SSL Mark your domain and click on apply. Turn on force HTTPS. So this is our SSL and this certificate valid for 3 months. But the cool thing is it will automatically renew before it expires. To check this certificate, reload this page again. Alright, our website works on HTTPS and this is our SSL. At this time, it is valid for 3 months, but after 3 months, it will automatically generate a new certificate for your website. To install the WordPress, go to the WordPress official website wordpress.org and download the WordPress zip file. If you don't want to download anything, then I have a solution for this problem, so don't worry guys, I'll show you further in this video. So I have already downloaded the WordPress file. In the control panel, open files. Select your domain directory. These are the default files for this control panel. I am going to delete these files and drop your downloaded WordPress zip file here. But if you don't want to download, then follow these steps. On this bar, you will see a terminal icon. Click on it. You don't need to change anything from here. Just enter your server password. Copy and paste it here. Now copy the WordPress download link. Enter wget and paste this link and hit enter. Close this terminal. Reload your files and you will see the WordPress zip file with the name of latest.zip. Extract or uncompress the WordPress file. So let's check the website. Still our website is not working because we have to move all these WordPress files from the WordPress folder to the domain's root directory. Now you can delete this zip file. Open the WordPress folder. Mark all these files and folders. Click on this cut button and choose your root directory. After that, click on paste all. Now you can delete this WordPress folder. Reload the site again. Alright, before we install, we will need a database. So open your control panel and click on databases. Then add a database. Enter the database name and username. Use the default password and click on submit. Choose your WordPress language. We already have created the database, so click on Let's Go button. Enter database credential. And click on submit button. Run the installation. Enter the site title. In my case, it will be Learning Army. And the username will admin and a simple password for demo purpose. Confirm a weak password. Enter your email here and click on install WordPress. Alright, our installation has been successfully completed. Now you can log in to your WordPress dashboard by clicking on this login button. Enter your username and password to login. So this is our WordPress dashboard and WordPress website hosted on the cloud server. This is the WordPress homepage. Now you are ready to move your WordPress websites on the cloud hosting. Hope this video will help you to host your WordPress websites on the cloud server. If you have learned from this video, then please don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching. As always, see you in the next video. With